media relevant information saja. Sekejap, saya tengah cakap buang dengan anak buang ya. Sekejap. Cik boleh pergi sekejap, saya nak cakap dengan anak buang. Ya sekejap, saya tengah cakap dengan anak buang. No. We will advise our clients. Then you can take them.
Okey, ini fresh boleh masuk kan?
Takut dia kena sini. Today, blogger Hanif's father and mother, the parents, have been called by MCMC, Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission, for questioning relating to a blog post posted by Hanif back in March 2011, and they've been served a notice to appear today for questioning, and they have been denied access to lawyers. But no grounds are given why they are denying such right to be accompanied by lawyers today, and therefore we would like to reiterate our position that rights to legal counsel while being questioned by authorities must be given in accordance with the guarantee under the Constitution. But this is again denied by the MCMC today, and the question that were asked by MCMC to Hanif's father is very absurd. I mean, the questions are very absurd in the sense that they ask the Streamix account belongs to whom, and whether who uploaded the photos on Hanif's blog. So for me, the investigation is set to revolve around the fact that Hanif posted blog posting on his blog somewhere around March, but they keep on calling the parents, even though they have taken questions by Hanif. I mean, from Hanif, and also the police have commenced an investigation under the Sedition Act. But they keep on calling and asking the parents to give statements on baseless accusation, I would say, because they are saying that Hanif posted something about the Sultan on the blog. They have the blog posting, so what is there to investigate more? Why are they being called today? Because this is nothing but harassment. Why do they need to know whose account, I mean the streaming account belongs to whom, and so on and so forth? Why are they doing this? Are they trying to say that we cannot exercise our freedom of speech? Are they trying to silence dissent? Are they trying to silence the Malaysians from speaking their minds about politics, about issues that are surrounding us in Malaysia? So this is nothing but a pure intimidation and also harassment by the police, and also a crackdown, an ongoing crackdown on freedom of expression in Malaysia. So we object to this method being used over and over again by the authorities, calling people in, asking questions. This is a waste of resources. They are wasting money and manpower for nothing, and they're trying to stifle disagreements and also dissent from the Malaysian public.
Of course, I was surprised in the sense that after such a long time, few months later, they called me. I thought it was over, whatever they have integrated my son. I feel that it was all over, and I didn't expect that kind of letter that I received yesterday, expecting me to give whatever information that they require. But anyway, I just like to tell you that they are being nice. I've been cooperative with them, and whatever question that they pose to me, most of it something that I feel will not implicate my son. Anything that has got something to do with my son, I have to remain silent. That's for the court to decide whether he's in the wrong or not. But in the first place, I would like to stress is that when I've read the blogs and also other blogs after they have raided my house, I strongly believe that my son is not doing any sort of seditious blogging. What he did was just cut and paste, and and he just try to voice out his opinion, you know. But all the while I've seen the other blogs, it has been appearing more than few months ago, for which if they want to sort of implicate my son, they should have implicated the bloggers, other bloggers as well. But anyway, I feel very sad about the BN and also the UMNO bloggers for really going after my son. And I hope so that they would realize in the end that whatever they do are not something that we, the people, like to see in the first place. So I believe, I hope that my son will not be implicated about what he has done. And I feel that he being a young guy, belonging to the young generation, would like to see that our country improves and to sort of feel that the country must be in the hands of good people.
So why you? Why did you ask them? Why did they call you?
Probably, although they did not say to me anything, but then probably what I feel is that there are a few questions that they asked my son, they couldn't get that kind of information. For example, the 3 computers that they have confiscated, and one of it is mine. Even without my telling them which computer belongs to whom, they would eventually know it. So my purpose of telling them which computer belongs to whom is that they shouldn't have confiscated my computer, because I've got nothing to do with whatever my son did in the first place. So because of that, I told them that whatever they sketch about the layout of my house and where my computer is positioned, and I tried for them which computer belongs to whom. And I feel that I'm just telling them the truth, so that, you know, even if I don't tell it out, they will know eventually.
Is this the first time you have been talking?
Oh yes, it's the first time. I did accompany my son previously, but I was not being integrated. And that was why I was surprised why after a few months they come over again to take fact.
When did you get the notice?
About yesterday.
Yeah. What does it say in the letter exactly? Why does it state in the letter why you have to come? Or just, you know,
Notice to appear.
Yes, notice to appear. They know that I know about my son's case, and because of that, they want me to appear. Probably they want to get some information that they could not get from my son. That's all.
is there any action will be taken if you did not appear today?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. That was clearly stated in that notice. In fact, they came over to my place. We were not home. We were at home, and they left the.
To serve the notice.
That's right. I believe even though the government has said that we have freedom of expression, freedom of speech and whatnot, it is not actually applied to all people. It is applied only to those of their supporters. Even though the supporters of the opposition say out the right thing, they will never want to admit that. You see. So because of that, I believe a lot of harassment, sort of, to us is sort of misguided, whatever they have said about the freedom of speech, freedom of expression over the internet. So that's what I believe so. No hard feelings, no confusion at all, but what I feel is that they are just doing their job. But they are doing their job is because they are being ordered to do so. They are being directed to do so. But this is the people up there. Yeah, it's the people up there. Say again?
More discontent?
Yes. Because I feel that certain parties feel, they are not safe anymore. So because of that, any little things that the opposition come up with, they will find that it is very, should I say, very dangerous to them, unpleasant and dangerous. Whatever you can, use whatever words which equivalent to that,